I bet you $1,000 you can't guess what this spiky desert plant turns into by the end of this video. First, the agave plant is rinsed. It goes to a pre-shredder machine that shreds it into smaller pieces to break down the tough outer skin. These pieces are rinsed with water again. From there, the agave moves into a crusher, and then a pressing roller rolls it flat like a mat to squeeze out the plant's juices. Next, the plant moves into a screw press that grinds and squeezes the pulp even further. After another pass through a pressing roller, the crushed plant goes through a decorticator. This machine strips away the mashy green pulp to release the clean, natural cream-colored fibers hidden inside. These fibers are then smoothed out using a roller. Next, you will see the fibers pouring from a chute straight into a washing vat, where a robotic arm carries the bundle and dips it inside the water to wash away any leftover plant sugars. Then, the wet, golden brown fiber is rinsed with water and pressed dry through rollers. To remove every last drop of moisture, the fibers go into a heated drying oven. Once dry and pure white, the fiber is rolled into a flat sheet, and a combing machine which uses hundreds of tiny metal pins to untangle and align the strands processes the fiber before rolling it into a neat mat. A robotic arm then carries this combed fiber and dips it into a chemical treatment bath to soften it, followed by a water wash. Next, the white fiber is dipped into a yellow dye vat, and a drawing machine stretches and flattens the yellow fibers together. Another batch of white fiber is dipped into a black dye vat, and the machine draws and flattens those together before a roller presses them. And we see the cream and black fibers lying side by side. This machine rolls the black and yellow fibers together side by side. It rolls the pure black fiber to finish this first part of the process. Next, the blonde fiber is rolled out, while the black fiber is spun into a thick, twisted rope. The same spinning process is done to the blonde fiber so that both colors are thick and strong. Then, we see the black fiber spread flat again, and a twisting machine tightly wraps the strands together before they squeeze out through a small metal opening. After that, a laser scans the blonde fiber to guide a cutting machine, while a rapid stitching machine sews the top edge of the loose strands together to lock them into a neat, continuous curtain of hair. Next, the empty wig caps travel down the line on mannequin heads. Robotic arms use rapid sewing needles to stitch the hair strands directly onto the wig cap. The robotic needles fill it up with hair. A specialized styling machine combs and flattens the edge of the hair to make it lay down naturally. Another robotic arm carries the blonde wig down the line, where a trimming machine acting like a pair of electric scissors cuts the scraggly ends to make them completely even. Then, a heated straightening machine presses the strands to make them incredibly silky, before a set of curling rollers twists the hair to give it bouncy, styled curls. A styling robot moves left and right to spray a fine mist over the finished wig, locking the style perfectly in place. In another section, the parting on a black wig is smoothed out, while a machine with sharp electric clippers trims the strands. Next, hot air nozzles blow warm air over the wig, and two styling arms on the left and right move back and forth to help dry and shape the hair. For the curly black wig, two side clamps gently press the sides of the hair to keep the curls perfectly styled and neat. Then, the blonde hair strands and the scalp pass under red laser beams, checking the hair to make sure everything looks flawless. Next, the black wig also passes through a red laser scanner. Both the black and blonde wigs go through one final laser scan before a mechanical claw stretches a protective hairnet, black for the dark wig and white for the blonde wig, gently over the hair to keep it from tangling. From there, a robotic arm lifts the mannequin heads and packs them safely into white boxes. A flat pressing machine firmly seals the boxes shut, and a rotating wrapping machine covers them in clear protective film. Finally, the boxes move down the conveyor belt, completing this amazing manufacturing process. Like, share and follow to see how your favorite products are actually made.